Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we learned how to delete Bereal account. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. Watch full video without skipping and don't waste the time, and let's get start the video. First we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and search Bereal support center and tap on first Bereal help center, and you can write here how to delete my account and your problem is solved in 5 minutes. And this is very easy process. You can doing Bereal app and you can see delete a Bereal, tap on delete a Bereal, and you can see this is method of delete Bereal account. You can save it and you have to delete Bereal account very easily. So yeah, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you, and this is very simple process. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new videos updates. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.